In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center elements on the page in Canva. By the end, you'll know the simplest, most reliable way to place any text box, image, or graphic perfectly in the middle of your design, so everything looks clean and professional. First, open your web browser and search for Canva. This is just to get you to the official site quickly, especially if you don't have it bookmarked. On the results page, look for the official canva.com link so you know you're heading to the right place. Click the correct link to open Canva. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your homepage. If not, you'll be prompted to log in. Go ahead and log in with your usual Canva account. Use your preferred sign-in method, and once you're in, you'll see your recent designs and templates ready to go. Next, open the design editor. You can do this by opening an existing design from your recent files or by creating a new one from a template or a custom size. Either way, the goal is to get into the editor where you can see your canvas and the top toolbar. Now, select the element you want to center. Click once on the text box, image, shape, or graphic on your canvas. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and the resize handles around it. If multiple elements are selected, Canva will treat them as a group and center the entire selection. With your element selected, look up to the top toolbar and click Position. This button appears whenever an object is selected. It opens a panel with alignment and layering options so you can place things precisely without guesswork. Under the Arrange tab in the Position panel, you'll see Alignment Controls. This is where the magic happens. To center your element on the page, click Center to align it horizontally, and then click Middle to align it vertically. Using both ensures your element sits exactly in the middle of the canvas. If you only need one direction, you can click Just Center or Just Middle, but for a perfect dead center placement, use both. You may also notice subtle guides on the canvas confirming the element is aligned. If you don't immediately see position in the toolbar, make sure your element is selected and check if the window is narrow. Sometimes options collapse into an overflow menu. Also, if you have multiple elements selected intentionally, remember the alignment affects that selection as a whole. That's all there is to it. Open Canva, log in, enter the editor, select your element, open Position, and apply Center and Middle. Save your design when you're done, and enjoy that clean, balanced look every time.